Hello, I'm Lisa, a student of the Interior Design Master of the IED in Milan.
My name is Natalia Flores. I am a Colombian interior designer.
Hi, my name is Nicole Tyrone.
And this year the focus of the thesis was to design for Amazon, a new vision of the interior of its spaces.
Their fulfillment center tour experience, focusing and putting in the center of our design the visitor.
Through immersive and innovative technologies and also sustainable and frugal design. The idea was to also give a virtual experience for the customers in light of these pandemic and post-pandemic times.
The name of our project is Extend ID, and all of our project is based on extend the actual physical journey of the fulfillment center into the online world and vice versa, bringing the online world into the physical journey of the fulfillment center. How we developed it, creating a different kind of touch point in which people can interact and completely personalize the information that they will receive. So we asked to ourselves three main questions. How different people, such different target, can interact with the journey. And then we asked how can we bring such a complex world as Amazon.com is into the fulfillment center. And these were our main questions that helped us to design everything. But the hard part was how I explain it to my mom. Said, Mom, imagine going to a fulfillment center and maybe you're interested in certain kind of information instead of other, and with your phone you can go and understand perfectly the information that you need, ask the question that you need, discover the little detail that you want to know of that place. So this is how I explained to her our project in simple words.
In our team, we created a project named Amazon, a Magic Zone. As consumers, we believe in the magic behind Amazon. We know that once you give a click, you obtain the product in a matter of hours. But most of the consumers doesn't know, and they are interested in know what happens behind a click. So we connected this magic and we related the magic itself with the streamlined process, this endless flow of products going in and out, and we related it with the flow of the Amazon River from where Amazon gets its name. So we created a flying river chain that connects experience during the parking lot through the reception and then connects all the areas that they will go through. This flying river chain is made of recycled plastic. At the same time, once visitors enter the reception, they will find a ribbon made of wood wool and moss wool. Both are materials that reduce noise. Also, in our design, we consider an organic shape in the furniture that we provided. This organic shape is related with how humans move through space and makes the experience more comfortable. The flooring is also one of the materials that we have chosen is linoleum, and it also acts as signage. Because once visitors see an orange spot, they know that in that spot is a spot where they should be, and it's part of the experience. Those graphics for them, as the way they told us, was that they were very clear and interactive for people that are not designers or architects. The colors and the shapes and the emotions that we provided in it gave them a clear vision of what we wanted to present to the client.
In order to create our design concept, we started by creating an overview of the brand, understanding the brand, and also developing the layouts and furnishings for the interior spaces and implementing technological design schemes which aimed at exchanging ideas and information. So when we create this overview or basic structure of our design concept, we start by understanding the brand, trying to see the functions that are present in the brand today, comparing them to other brands in the market, trying to understand the target that we have to cater to. And this is how we lead to our final vision and concept that we discuss and show to the brand. So after figuring out the key factors for our design concept, the three main questions that we ask ourselves are related to the user experience, since the design of the space directly affects how users interact with it, followed by brand marketing, because what affects the users when they're interacting with the space plays a great role on how they perceive the brand and look to form a bond with it. And finally, product emphasis, as when they form a bond, it helps in increasing brand sales. This master's course has really been educational, immersive and interactive for us. We have not only been working in our classrooms, but it motivates us to step out into the real life and work on real life cases by using our skills and knowledge. think outside the box and think big. Dream a lot, because your teachers will help you by providing you the right skills and knowledge to make those dreams come into a reality.